Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and today's video I'll be talking about or showing you the procedure to make multiple PayPal account. If you want to make multiple PayPal account, so you can follow these steps. Before that, we need to check whether PayPal allows you to make multiple account or not. So for that, open up a browser, go to paypal.com, and when go to paypal.com or go to the official website, it's gonna show you this sort of page. Here, you want to scroll down a bit or at the bottom, and you could find this help section in the left hand side corner. Click on it. As soon as you do that, here on the search box, you want to type in, can I make a multiple account? So as you can see, there's this information. In order to create multiple PayPal account, you need to use different unique personal details like email address, phone number, and ideally different IP address for each account. When ensuring you comply with the PayPal's terms of services, which generally prohibits creating multiple accounts with the same information, you could consider using a VPN or a proxy to manage different IP address and a multiple profile browser to maintain separate identities for each steps. As you can see, they've mentioned the information. Impossible to create the multiple account using the same email address or using the same credential. So make sure to use a different one, and with that you should be able to create multiple accounts. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.